29. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello everyone. Am I audible? So, on behalf of Intelletics, I shall welcome you all to the paper solving session on physical education 10th standard ICSE. As many of the students have got their physical education paper tomorrow, few of them have got computer applications and few of them have got something else. So we are starting up with physical education paper. First, please let me know if I'm audible. Okay, so here we start with the question answer session on physical education. Okay, so we start with the first question. On behalf of Intelletics Institute 10th Standard ICSE Physical Education question and answer session, we start with the first question. The best method to study growth and development of the child is, and your options are first, comparative method, B, psychoanalytic method, C, statistical method, fourth, developmental method. So, which is the best method to study growth and development of the child? So, the correct answer for this question is developmental method. So, the best method to study growth and development of the child is developmental method. Coming to question number 2, growth is defined as dash. And your options are first, change in size and length of the body. Second, organization of all the body parts. Third, a continuous process. Fourth, improvement in functioning and behavior. So, how will you define growth? So, the correct answer for this question is, I will tick it out. See, this was this answer. Growth is defined as change in size and length of the body. Okay. Coming to the third question, growth is defined as dash. First, it can be felt only through estimate and inspection. Second, the series of physical changes that occur from conception to maturity. Third, the series of psychological changes that occur from conception to maturity. Fourth, it is progressive series of changes that occur as a result of maturation and learning. So, which is the other way for defining growth? So the correct answer for this question will be, for the third question, any guesses? The answer is going to be 2. It's a series of physical changes that occur from conception to maturity. Coming to the question number 4, growth of a child is mainly related to dash. A. Moral development. Second, physical development. Third, social development. And fourth, emotional development. So the answer for this question will be physical development. Growth of the child is mainly related to physical development. Question number 5. The disappearance of old features and acquisition of new ones can be seen in the child, which is dash. First, developing. Second, growing. Third, evolving. Fourth, all of the above. So what, according to you, has to be the answer for question number 5? The disappearance of old features and acquisition of new ones can be seen in the child. Come on, I expect the students to actively participate in this session and keep answering. So the answer to this question number 5 is growing. So the disappearance of old features and acquisition of new ones can be seen in the child, which is growing. Question number 6. The cell multiplication, which occurs in the body and leads to the quantitative changes in size, weight, and shape, is because of dash. First, development. Second, growth. Third, infancy. Fourth, childhood. So the cell multiplication, which occurs in the body and leads to the quantitative changes in size, weight, and shape, is because of second, that is growth. So please remember, the cell multiplication, which occurs in the body and leads to the quantitative changes in size, weight, and shape, is because of growth. Coming to the next question, number 7. Which of the following statements is not true with respect to growth? First, the growth stops when maturity has been attained. Second, the growth does not continue throughout the life. Third, the growth is a progressive series of changes. Fourth, the growth is not continuous. So, which of these statements is not true? And the correct answer for this question is the growth is a progressive series of changes is not true with respect to growth. Question number 8. Which of the following aspect comes into the domain of growth? First, changes in qualitative aspect. Second, changes in the developmental aspect. Third, changes in the quantitative aspect. Fourth, all of the above. So which of the following aspects comes to the domain of growth? So the correct answer for this question is third, that is changes in the quantitative aspect. I shall I shall change this as well. I will highlight it for the students who might come late. Just give me a moment. Just a moment, please. Well, so here we are. We come to the next, that is question number 9. Which of the following statement is not correct? First, growth is quantitative process. Second, development is quantitative process. Third, the growth is indirect and invisible. Fourth, the growth is not measurable. So, which of the following statements is not correct? And the correct answer for this is growth is a quantitative process is not correct, because it's just not quantitative, it's also a qualitative process. Now, coming to question number 10, which of the following statement is not true with respect to growth? Not true, that is false. So, out of 4, 3 are correct, that is true statements, and 1 is the false one, and that is what you have to identify. Okay, the first option given is growth may or may not bring development. Second, growth is one of the aspects of development process. Third, growth does not continue throughout the life. Fourth, growth is functional or organizational, thus a subjective interpretation of one's changes. So what should be the answer for question number 10? Which of these statements is not true with respect to growth? And the false statement among these 4 is the fourth one. So growth is functional or organizational, thus a subjective interpretation of one's changes is not true with respect to growth. Question number 11. Which one of the following indicates child's physical growth? First, quantitative. Second, negative. Third, qualitative. Fourth, positive. So which one of the following indicates child's physical growth? And the correct answer for this question is quantitative. So, quantitative changes indicate the child's physical growth. Coming to question number 12, which of the following is not correct in context to growth? First, the term growth is used in physical sense. Second, it refers to size and strength. Third, it is part of developmental process. Fourth, it continues throughout the life. So which of this is not correct? That is, it is wrong in context to growth. And the answer to this question should be 4. It continues throughout the life is not correct in context to growth. Question number 13. The dash is direct and visible. First, growth. Second, development. Third, childhood. Fourth, infancy. So dash is direct and visible. And the answer to this question has to be, any guesses? Growth. So the growth is direct and visible. Question number 14. What is development? First, the stage from the birth to the end of 5 years of age. Second, the process of growth from infancy to the old age. Third, it is the transmission of physical characteristics from parents to children. Fourth, the process by which an organism grows and changes throughout its lifespan in progressive manner. So, what should be the answer for this? What is development? And the answer to this question has to be fourth. Development is the process by which an organism grows and changes throughout its lifespan in progressive manner. Coming to question number 15, development is a progressive series of changes which includes dash. First, biological change. Second, behavioral change. Third, both biological and behavioral change. Fourth, none of the above. And the correct answer for this question is third. So, development is a progressive series of changes which includes both biological and behavioral change. Question number 16. Which of the following aspect comes into the domain of development? First, changes in quality or character. Second, changes in quantitative aspect. Third, both first and second. Fourth, none of the above. And the correct answer for this question is first, changes in quality or character is the aspect that comes into the domain of development. Now, coming to question number 17, the ability of an infant to grasp an object is an example of dash. First, growth. Second, development. Third, agility. Fourth, periodization. And the correct answer for this question is development. The ability of an infant to grasp an object is an example of development. Question number 18. Which of the following statements is true with respect to development? So out of 4, 1 is true, 3 are wrong. First, the development is continuous throughout the life. Second, the development can be measured in meters. Third, in development, changes in the quantitative aspects come into the domain. Fourth, the development is direct and visible. So, which of these statements is true with respect to development? And the correct answer for this question is first, the development is continuous throughout the life is true with respect to development. Question number 19. Which of the following statement is not true with respect to development? Okay, so we come to question number 19. Which of the following statement is not true with respect to development? First, the development can be felt only through estimate and inspection. Second, the development is continuous throughout the life. Third, the development is a progressive series of changes. Fourth, the development is direct and visible. So the answer for this question is fourth. Development is direct and visible is not true with respect to development. Coming to question number 20. Which of the following is correct in context to development? First, development means physical change. Second, it is not possible without growth. Third, it continues throughout the life. Fourth, it refers to size and strength. And the correct answer for this question is It continues throughout the life. This is correct in context to development. Question number 21. In dash, the changes in quality or character come into the domain. First, growth. Second, development. Third, childhood. Fourth, adolescence. The correct answer for this question has to be second, development. In development, the changes in quality or character come into the domain. Question number 22. The change that occurs in human beings between conception and death are referred to as dash. First, development. Second, growth. Third, progress. Fourth, none of these. And the correct answer for this question has to be development. So the change that occurs in human beings between conception and death are referred to as development. Question number 23. Development is a continuous process which ranges from conception to dash. First, birth. Second, childhood. Third, adolescence. Fourth, old age. And the correct answer for this question should be fourth, old age. So development is a continuous process which ranges from conception to old age. Question number 24. Which of the following is not the stage of human growth and development? First, infancy. Second, cousin. Third, childhood. Fourth, adulthood. And the correct answer for this question is cousin. Cousin is not a stage of human growth and development. Now, question number 25. What is the age group of infancy? First 0 to 5 years. Second, 6 to 12 years. Third, 12 to 19 years. Fourth, 19 to 45 years. And the correct answer to this question is 0 to 5 years is the age group of infancy. Question number 26. The stage from the birth to the end of 5 years of age is called as dash. First, early childhood stage. Second, infancy. Third, adulthood. Fourth, adolescence. And the correct answer for this question, which is quite predictable, it is infancy. So the stage from the birth to the end of 5 years of age is called as infancy. Question number 27. In which stage the physical growth is rapid? First, adulthood. Second, adolescence. Third, infancy. Fourth, old age. So in which stage the physical growth is rapid? And the correct answer for this question is infancy. So it is infancy, a stage in which physical growth is rapid. Question number 28. Children start speaking properly and master their hand and eye coordination in this stage. First, infancy stage. Second, later childhood stage. Third, adolescent stage. Fourth, youth stage. And the correct answer for this question is infancy stage. So children start speaking properly and master their hand-eye coordination in the infancy stage. Question number 29. Prenatal environment is the environment of dash. First, the previous nation. Second, the child during birth. Third, the child after birth. Fourth, the fetus in the womb. And the correct answer for this question is the fetus in the womb. The prenatal environment, prenatal is before birth. So the prenatal environment is the environment of the fetus in the womb. Question number 30. During this stage, the one-celled organism transforms into a human baby. What stage is this? First, adolescent stage. Second, prenatal stage. Third, early childhood. Fourth, old age. And the correct answer for this question is second, that is prenatal stage. The prenatal stage is the one in which the one-celled organism transforms into a human baby. Question number 31. Which of the following is a characteristic of an infant? First, the memory, thinking capacity, and decision making gets increased. Second, the child starts speaking properly and masters their hand and eye coordination. Third, the muscle gains strength. Fourth, the body grows rapidly in size. And the correct answer for this question is the child speaking properly and masters their hand and eye coordination is a characteristic of an infant. Question number 32. Human development starts from dash. First, adolescence stage. Second, infancy. Third, childhood stage. Fourth, adulthood stage. And the correct answer for this question is second, that is infancy. Human development starts from infancy. Question number 33. The children learn the activities related to motor skills like walking in which stage? First, adulthood stage. Second, adolescence. Third, infancy stage. Fourth, childhood stage. And the correct answer for this question would be third, infancy stage. Coming to the next question, number 34. Infancy is divided into two stages of development. The first lasting from birth to 2 years. Thereafter, the second stage lasts till the child is dash. First, 4 years of age. Second, 5 years of age. Third, 6 years of age. Fourth, 7 years of age. Hi Aman, thank you so much. The correct answer for question number 34 is 5 years of age. So the infancy is divided into two stages of development. The first lasting from birth to 2 years, and thereafter the second stage lasts till the child is 5 years of age. Question number 35. In which stage the children start speaking properly and master their hand and eye coordination? First, old age. Second, adolescence. Third, youth stage. Fourth, infancy. And the correct answer for question number 35 has to be fourth, that is infancy. So it is infancy, which is the stage in which the children start speaking properly and master their hand and eye coordination. Question number 36. The children turn to locate the source of sound in what stage? First, infancy. Second, adulthood. Third, childhood. Fourth, adolescence. And the correct answer for this question is first, infancy. So the children turn to locate the source of sound in the infancy stage. Question number 37. In which stage of growth and development the infants develop trust as their parents meet their needs, such as feeding them when they are hungry and holding them when they cry? And the options are first, adolescence. Second, infancy. Third, adulthood. Fourth, childhood. And the correct answer for this question is Second, infancy. So it is infancy, the stage of growth and development in which the infants develop trust as their parents meet their needs, such as feeding them when they're hungry and holding them when they cry. Question number 38. The approximate 9 months spent in the mother's womb is known as the dash period. First, babyhood stage. Second, prenatal stage. Third, infancy. Fourth, fetus. And the correct answer for question number 38 is prenatal stage. So the approximate 9 months spent in mother's womb is known as the prenatal stage. Question number 39. The process of encompassing the period from the formation of an embryo through the development of a fetus to birth is dash. First, prenatal stage. Second, the babyhood stage. Third, the early childhood stage. Fourth, the middlehood stage. And the correct answer for question number 39 is the prenatal stage. Hi Sharon. Yes, Bata, we are planning to take up some few MCQs for home science as well. Okay, please tell your friends. Hang on. We are also planning to, take up two more MCQ sessions, paper solving sessions on physical education. Also, we are trying to get a staff for computer application. So, throughout the evening, we shall be active on this channel. So, kindly hook on to this channel. Okay, and whichever is the thing that you need, you can certainly listen to it. Okay, and if at all you somehow miss it, please check with the videos, the playlist on the channel, so that you can definitely listen at what as your convenience. We come to the last question for the first paper solving session. Question number 40. In what stage the bones and muscles of the child begin to develop? First, the prenatal stage. Second, the babyhood stage. Third, the adolescent stage. Fourth, the early childhood stage. And the correct answer for this question is second, the babyhood stage. So it is the babyhood stage in which the bones and muscles of the child begin to develop. So friends, this was the first paper solving session done for physical education. We have two more papers to solve on physical education. Also, we are trying to get a staff for first at least the narration or the reading of computer application. Okay, so please hang on. The book. See, I understand that tomorrow computer applications is the paper and the book being so huge, you feel it's impossible for anybody to read it. So at least we shall be planning up for narration of the same. Okay, so thank you friends for being with me. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe, hit the like button. If you really believe in our efforts, hit the bell icon so that you get to know about the upcoming videos.